Hey guys, it's Erica and welcome to today's video. I am doing a Valentine's Day video and I'm so excited because I really wanted to use my Renaissance palette by Anastasia. I also wanted to use something else, but I wasn't. Hey guys, it's Erica and welcome to today's video. I am doing a Valentine's Day look for you guys. I'm so excited to be doing this because I am doing it with my Modern Renaissance palette, and this is the very first time that I'm using this palette, and let me just say this palette lives up to all the hype that is around it here on YouTube and on Instagram and everything. I've heard amazing things about this palette and I'm so excited that I finally purchased it. I think around Black Friday, and now I'm using it and I love it. It is amazing. So this is the look that I created, and I think it's very simple but yet still kind of bold for Valentine's Day, and I really liked using this Modern Renaissance palette and creating this look. I think this is a look that I would wear honestly probably like every day. So I really liked how it turned out, and if I had a date this year for Valentine's Day, this is definitely what I would be wearing. Now, during the video, don't make fun of my winged eyeliner skills because I'm still working on them because I kind of suck at them, but I think for not really doing winged eyeliner on a daily basis, I think it turned out pretty good. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on into the Valentine's Day video. I hope that you enjoyed watching that and getting some ideas for Valentine's Day this year. And let me know down in the comments what you're doing for Valentine's this year, whether you're going on a date with your significant other, your husband, your boyfriend, or if you're staying at home alone like me. I think Molly is my Valentine's this year, like she will be every year. And I'm gonna go buy myself some flowers because I'm just extra like that this year. So I hope that you guys enjoyed. I loved creating this look like I said in the intro, and I hope that you guys enjoyed watching. Please give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Hit that subscribe button on your screen and the little bell to get notified of new videos coming up on my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!